This is Poco X6 Pro and I just flashed a latest X-Power mod ROM for this X-Power Legacy, which is based on HyperOS 3.005. So yesterday night Edbug decided that let's get back to the previous kernel, and then he made this. So in this video we're gonna go through every single thing you need to know about this ROM, operating system, user interface, the performance, gaming and everything. So let's start the video. First thing first, this ROM is based on HyperOS 3.005, which is now beta ROM for this Poco X6 Pro. In China, Redmi K70e. This ROM is based on this, and the developer Edbug decided to mod it, and he created this. He removed few stuff like the history can't be cleared. If you tap here, it's not cleaned. You have to clean it manually. And this was the first bug that I found, and there's no other bug in this ROM. Let me show you few more things that you need to know about this ROM. Xiaomi account is working fine, my device is working fine. This is the specification, and this is not the overclocked one, and still it heats up. See, this is MediaTek Dimensity 8300 Ultra and 3.35 GHz octa-core max. And this is based on latest HyperOS 3 and Android 16. And let me show you a few more things, like everything is working fine, even Wi-Fi working fine, Bluetooth is working fine, internet 5G is working smoothly. You can use Hypersealer to activate dual 5G. I just used it yesterday and it was working. It says that it's not compatible, but when you turn it on, it was working. Okay, let's get back to the hotspot working, airplane mode, all NFC is working too. I just tested, just tap and scan and go to the website. But few things are removed, like Xiaomi Share is removed from here. I just don't know why. And I think from the stock ROM it doesn't comes with. I'm not sure. In the stock ROM we do see Xiaomi Share in the Chinese version, but in Indian ROMs we don't see any Xiaomi Share. By the way, let's get back to personalization. All the AI wallpaper that I showed you in the previous video are working fine. You can even customize from here. You do get all the options. Let me show you from the lock screen. Customization, unlock. See, here are the presets that we used previously, but when you switch to, you do get many other wallpapers as well. I love this one. And when you turn on the animate, these cats get like real animation. Like you just have to tap and click on the real animation. See, now the blur effect is on. Let me turn it off. You just have to go here, tap here, slide here, just turn it off. Apply. This is some iOS feature. See, it's working fine, the wallpaper, and then app animations are smooth. Touch is also working fine. And let me show you the HyperOS 3 features, like when we get turn on silent mode, we do get dynamic island notification even when turning off. And let's check the recorder, how it works. This recorder is working fine. See, he can recognize the voice, and when we turn it to the Hindi mode, let's see. हाँ भाई क्या हाल है, मैं तेरे को ही याद कर रहा था. देखा, Hindi is working fine too. So we can use it for Hindi, like if you want to record some podcast, just put your phone there and start recording. This is gonna give you the transcription as well. And you can even use, by the way, in the camera, did you guys know or not, there is a feature when you go in the camera. By the way, it comes with 7.1 camera, which is one of the best for the Poco X6 Pro. Even 0.6x is working fine, 2x, 3.5x, all are working fine. Even portrait mode. I wanted to show you, when you go here in the settings and go here in general, you video or video encoder motion, there was some option to use the sound, shutter sound, additional, like a classic algorithm. Go to other setting, anti-bending is, where is the feature layout, preset, guideline, display, sound, volume function, save location, general, audio settings. This is I want to tell you that you guys must be knowing this, but when you turn this on and when you record it, it literally decompresses all the other voice, like literally remove कर देता है. स्मार्ट नॉइस रिडक्शन क्या होता है इसमें इन डिवाइस एआई से, और पता नहीं कैसे, इट डजंट यूज़ एनी इंटरनेट. और ये जो फ़ैन का साउंड होता है और बाकी अदर साउंड्स होते हैं वो रिमूव कर सकता है. इवन हम क्या कर सकते हैं, किसी एक ऑडियो पर जूम कर सकते हैं. अगर कई सारे बंदे बोल रहे हैं तो वो दिखाता है उसमें. यू जस्ट हैव टू टर्न इट ऑन एंड व्हेन रिकॉर्ड करोगे तो एक साउंड पे ही फोकस कर लेता है अपने आप. ठीक है, तो दिस फीचर इज़ वर्किंग फाइन इन दिस. लेट मी शो यू अनदर dynamic island feature. In the previous build there was some bug, it was showing differently, but here it is fixed. See, animation is showing this side and then here is the clock and you can switch it. देख रहे हो कितना स्मूथ है. And you just have to tap like this to switch. The dynamic island is working fine in this. Let's get back to the other things. Display feels smooth. You can just go in the setting and display and you can turn on advanced and color scheme. You can change. I like the original one, but many people like saturated or vivid. Let me see if the eye mode is on. No, there's no. So many people like the saturated or the vivid. I love the original Pro. I just love it. You can even turn on adaptive colors. But what it does is, adaptive color is like according to the ambient of the wallpaper and everything, it matches. I just don't like it. Then we have this reading mode, resolution WHD, it's good. Refresh rate is default. What I suggest everyone to just turn it on to 120 fps custom, and when you go there, just when you play BGMI, turn this on. So in some devices this is default but turned off. I just suggest you guys to turn this on. Let's get back to the other things. HyperOS 3 features are working fine, even it is Android 16 based, and I didn't find any other bug except this history was not being able to clear. See, you can even change this recent style. You just have to go there in the settings, go in the home screen. I like the advanced texture and app drawer feature. You just have to go here and then you will see gesture, tap here and then recent, select this one, stack style, show memory status. I like it because it shows the memory, but the problem is when you tap here it says it's gone, but it is still there. Even when you open it, it's gonna open from there only. Adbug, what he did was he found that, so when we tap this, it was cleaning the system apps as well, so he decided to remove it and clean it manually. Leave it. I love you, Adbug. This was the recording. Let's see, it was recording me or not. What I was thinking, instead of recording on this device, I should record audio on this to get the enhanced audio, because my F7 doesn't support the voice cancellation. I have to use some AI to unlock this feature. Okay, let's get back to other things. I did run Antutu multiple times. Let me show you. This was the first time when I ran. Oh, what was this? कैसा अजीब सा ग्राफिक्स आया था ना. हाँ ठीक है. फर्स्ट टाइम इट वॉज अराउंड 11. बाय द वे दिस इज द लेटेस्ट HyperOS. Oh, Antutu Score v3.00b. I just don't know, when I run this on 2 OB2 it performs different. It shows sometimes it goes to 1.5 million. In the previous few ROMs it was going down. So I did multiple time tested and 9% drain is very bad. In few days ago my phone used to only decrease around 6 to 7% and temperature was 14, and this is dangerous because I feel like it was like तवा मैं रोटी पका लेता हूँ. ठीक है, तो भाई हीट बहुत कर रहा है. You have to use a cooler, but when it comes to gaming it performs amazing. Let me show you a few more things. Let's go and play a match and see how it performs when it comes to gaming. I just can't turn on the FPS meter. Let's play this. Something new mode is here. This is some Predator. We have to unlock some machines to get the guns and hit them. Let's see this. By the way, I have tested. Let me tell you myself. It goes
set in a virtual world and does not represent real life. Please play in moderation. Take free.
it goes like in TDM matches you can get 115 FPS smooth and Erangel it can go like 100 FPS smooth और इवेंट्स पे भाई मानो या ना मानो ये 80 चला जाता है 80 कब समटाइम्स बहुत ज़्यादा हीट हो गया था तो इट वॉज गॉन डाउन टू 70 FPS। तो ये याद रखना ठीक है। अभी देखो अभी बहुत स्मूथ 120 चल रहा है देख रहे हो 118 क्यों दिस इज़ द स्मॉल मैप। छोटे मैप्स ये लाइक TDM और इन सब में तो भाई 120 चिपक के दे देता है कभी कभी एक जब फ़ोन डिवाइस कूल होता है जैसे अब ठंड आ रही है तो मेरा डिवाइस बहुत कूल है अभी देख रहे हो इट इज़ गोइंग लिटरली स्मूथ 120 देख रहे हो। भाई इसमें ना एक बंदा आया है बड़ा गंदा है यार वो पीछे ही पड़ जाता है साला। कहाँ है शिट मैन इसमें ना हमें इसको एक्टिवेट करना है कुछ। वो आ गया साला आ गया मेरे को फुट स्टेप आए थे पूरा 35 मीटर पे है। देखो मैं दिखा देता हूँ आपको ये अच्छा किसी ने गोली मार दी इसके सी अभी तो देखो बहुत स्मूथ चल रहा है 120 पे देख रहे हो 120 दिस इज़ द स्पेशलिटी अबाउट दिस रोम इट गोज लाइक स्मूथ ऑन द लेटेस्ट HyperOS 3 you can use it on a daily basis like you just have to set up the you will have to do the strong integrity and that's easy. I have created a separate video, you can go and watch that video to get the strong integrity so that banking apps start working. और यार अगर कई सारे लोग ना कमेंट करते हैं यार कि हम ना न्यू हैं एंड हमें पता नहीं है भाई तो लेट मी टेल यू इसके लिए ना टू रन कस्टम रोम्स इन योर डिवाइस दिस यू हैव टू अनलॉक योर बूट लोडर। और कैसे करते हैं अनलॉक मैंने वीडियो बना रखी है जाके देखो आप लोग जाके वो आ गया साला भागो। साले ने पेल दिया 3 नंबर को मेरे पास आ रहा है पीछे लड़ गया क्या साले ने देख लिया भाई ये साला वो भी मार देता है तेरी माँ की साले। यहाँ पे कमरे थे यार हाँ इसमें छुप जाता हूँ भाई बड़ा गंदा है ये मैं बता रहा हूँ तुम्हें मैं कल रात को खेल रहा था लिटरली ये दरवाज़ा भी खोल देता है कई बार। देख रहे हो यहाँ पे स्मूथ चल रहा है 119 FPS 120 FPS ये चार्ट देख रहे हो आप ऊपर वाला ऐसी TDM में भी ऐसी चलता है भाई TDM की मान लो ट्रस्ट मी दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट। नहीं मेरे को X Power 5 पसंद है बहुत ज़्यादा विच इज़ बेस्ड ऑन HyperOS 2.00210 एंड देन आफ्टर दैट ओ ये आ गया साला देखो सामने से गया उसको मारते हुए उस बहुत बढ़िया। साला उठ ना जाए अच्छा इससे मैं गायब हो सकता हूँ इसको एक्टिवेट करने पे ना गन्स निकलती हैं। अबे साले बंदूक दूँ तेरे को लन ले ले मेरा वो बे साला उठा के घूम रहा है उसको अबे साले मेरे अपने ही मुंह पे मार लिया यार। अबे भाई बैठ गया भाई बैठ गया छुपो 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 भाई। So this was the about this ROM. Thank you so much for watching this video. For more videos like this please do subscribe. बहन के लोड़े साले दरवाज़ा खोल देगा क्या खोल दिया दल्ले ने। चलो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग माफ़ी चाहता हूँ गाली के लिए।